Welcome once again to grammar session. In this video we are going to discuss about lesson number 5, object, complement, transitive and intransitive verbs. Now first of all I would like to introduce verb. Verb is an action word. So the person or thing to whom or to which something is done is called object. Suppose if I say they raised Pratap, who या whom did they praise Pratap? The noun Pratap is the object of the verb praised. Are you following, children? The noun Pratap is the object of the verb praised. Praised is verb and they is pronoun. Pratap is noun, but the noun is the object of the verb praised. The dog bit her. The pronoun her is the object of the verb bit. The cow eats grass. What does the cow eat? Grass. The noun grass is the object of the verb eats. Means the verb praised, bit, eats are all called transitive verb. A transitive verb is one which takes an object. Means in which the verb is followed by the object. Means after the verb, if there is any object, we call that as a transitive verb. Means object should be there in the transitive verb. Sometimes transitive verbs takes two object. Now is it clear that a transitive verb is one which takes an object? Means if we say the dog bit, whom did the dog bit? No object. At that time the dog bit will be a phrase. Means it doesn't have object and it is not fulfilling the conditions of sentence. At that time it will be intransitive verb, where whenever if you don't find any object in the sentence, it is called intransitive verb. Understand? Now sometimes a transitive verb takes two objects. Study the following sentences. He showed me. Showed is verb and me is object. The photos. There are two objects. Me is object number 1 and the photos is object number 2. Mr. John taught us English. Taught is verb. Us is object number 1. Mr. John taught us. इस पे अगर सेंटेंस खत्म होता था फिर भी वो ट्रांजिटिव रहता था क्योंकि उसमें एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. Whom did they taught? They taught us. What did they taught? They taught us English. I lent Ramesh the camera. Ramesh is noun. In spite of that, it is the object of the verb lent. The camera is object 2. His father bought him a mobile. Him is the object number 1 and mobile is object number 2. The first object refers to the person receiving something. Okay. The second object refers to the thing that is given. Receiving something, but what that thing is represent the second object. Objects of such types 2 are called direct objects. Object of such type 1 are called indirect object. Means he showed me the photos. Photos can be seen by us, isn't it? So it is direct object. Whereas me is understood. Me is understood. So it is object 1 is called indirect object. Leela came to see me. He died in the accident. I slept only 3 hours. The verb came, died and slept have no objects. The verb came, died, and slept have no objects. We cannot ask what, whom did Anita come, what, whom did he died, etc. Verbs like these are called intransitive. Means they don't have any objects. See, we will pay attention again to the same sentence. Leela came to see me. He died in the accident. Who died in the accident? Leela came to see me. Means in all the below sentences, they have no objects. We cannot ask what, whom did Anita come, what, whom did he die. Verb like these are called intransitive verbs. An intransitive verb is one which cannot take an object. Means it cannot take an object. In the below sentences, you can clearly understand what is transitive and what is intransitive. He opened the door. After verb, the object is there. The door opened. After opened, no object is there. The door is subject. Understand, in intransitive sentence, the door is subject, and in transitive sentence, he is subject. Opened is verb, the door is object. So the door opened means there is no object. So such a sentence are called intransitive sentence. I broke a cup. The cup broke. I is subject, broke is verb, and cup is object. So I broke a cup is transitive, whereas the cup broke means after broke there is no verb, so it is intransitive. The driver stopped the train. The train stopped. He rang the bell rang. Look at the sentence below. Word or words grouped in pink are called complement. This is Vijay. They were busy. The girl seemed very sad. He remained a bachelor. C.V. Raman was a great scientist. Means the after verb, whatever is followed is called complement. वर्ब के बाद जो आता है जिसको अपन अभी तक ऑब्जेक्ट बोल रहे थे ना, सो वर्ब के बाद जो आता है तो उस ऑब्जेक्ट को अपन नाम देते हैं कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अब कॉम्प्लीमेंट की परिभाषा पे ध्यान दीजिए. अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज अ वर्ड और ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट फॉलोज अ वर्ब एंड रिलेट्स टू द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट जिस पे अपन बात कर रहे हैं उससे रिलेटेड रहेगा. जैसे दिस इज विजय, तो अपन विजय के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. दे वर बिजी. बिजी नो डाउट कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, लेकिन वो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बता रहा है. वर इज वर्ब देयर. तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट की परिभाषा याद रखिए दोस्तों. कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज ए वर्ड और वर्ड ग्रुप दैट फॉलोज अ वर्ब एंड रिलेट्स टू द सब्जेक्ट. दैट इज इफ it describes the subject or identifies it, says who or what it is. Only a small number of works like be verb के बारे में अपन बहुत बार डिस्कस कर चुके हैं वीडियो में दोस्तों. be verb का मतलब होता है am, is, are, was. verb भी आता है इसमें. become, seem, appear, look. seem take complements. Such verbs are as these are called as लिंकिंग वर्ब्स. ये जो वर्ब है ना, जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट ले लेते हैं, इनको लिंकिंग वर्ब्स बोलते हैं. इन ओल्ड ग्रामर सच वर्ब्स आर कॉल्ड वर्ब्स ऑफ इनकम्प्लीट प्रेडिक्शन. हियर आर फर्दर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ही ग्रीव एंग्री means about subject. We are understanding something that he got angry, but on whom and what, so only it was called as incomplete prediction. But now in today's grammar it is called complement. I feel much better. This CD is mine. His hair has turned grey. He looked very cheerful. It is getting dark. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Means all these highlighted in pink are complement. Again friends, I am telling you that a complement is a word or word group that follows a verb relates to the subject. Now let's see in the exercise, page number 23. Pay attention. They cancelled the match. Cancelled is verb. They, about they we are getting information that what they cancelled. The match. The match is, find the object and complement in the following sentence. The object is the match and complement is also the match. Divya has scored full marks. Divya has scored. Scored is verb. Full marks is the object and complement. He cleans the bike every day. Means in this there are two objects. The bike is also object and every day is also object. So bike is object and every day is complement. What do you think? Am I right? The bike is object and every day is complement. That dress looks nice. In this, object and complement are same. Nice. She gave us her address. She gave us her. Her is object. Address is complement. He used the internet all afternoon. Used is verb. The internet is object. All afternoon is complement. It's me. Me is object. है ना? And complement also same. See me at 4:30. See and see is followed by me. Therefore, me is object and at 4:30 is complement. We bought the children ice cream. The children are object. Ice cream is complement. Again, I want to refer that complement is a group or words that follows the verb and relates to the subject. The milk turned sour. Sour is object as well as complement. He remained silent throughout. Silent is object and throughout is complement. I showed him the way. I showed them the way. Them is object and also the way is complement. The program on channel 5 was very interesting. Very interesting is object as well as complement. Was followed by verb. I will phone him in a few minutes. Phone is verb. Him is object. Few minutes is complement. Will you send me the bill? Send is verb. Me is object. The bill is complement. The bag is Anil's. Anil's is the object. We are talking about bag. The bag is subject. Is verb. Anil's is object. And complement and object are same in this. He has just become a father. Become is verb. Father is object as well as complement. I told his father the truth. Told is verb. His father is subject and the truth is complement. Find the transitive and intransitive verbs in the following sentence. I met him in Nagpur. I met him in Nagpur. Him is object and in Nagpur is complement. So it is transitive verb. Him is transitive. I met him. In Nagpur is also transitive. The bus leaves at 11. This is intransitive. Leaves is intransitive verb. Met is transitive verb, isn't it? I met him in Nagpur. म्हणजे वर्ब पता करना है जिसमें ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है वो इंट्रांजिटिव है. जिसमें ऑब्जेक्ट है जैसे बस लीव्स एट 11, नो ऑब्जेक्ट, सो इट इज इंट्रांजिटिव. एट 11 इज इंट्रांजिटिव. ओके. पेज नंबर 24. You drive too fast. Drive is verb. Too fast is not an object. So this is intransitive verb. Too fast और intransitive ऐसे आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. We recorded the TV program. Recorded is verb. What we recorded? TV program. So TV program is object and it is transitive. समझ में आ रही बात बेटा? I lay down after lunch. I lay down is verb. When I will lay down? After lunch. But object is not there. Object is not there. So after lunch is intransitive verb. The shop closes at 9 p.m. Object is not there. Verb is not followed by object. So it is in at 9 p.m. is intransitive. Will you close the window please? In this the object is the window and the sentence is transitive. Sentence जो है वो transitive है. Let us invite रेखा and रूपा. Invite के बाद object है रेखा and रूपा. So this is transitive. The train arrives at platform number 4. Arrives at platform 4. So no object. Object नहीं है. So it is intransitive. I usually sleep 6 hours a day. No object. 6 hours a day intransitive. Grass grows after rain. No object. After rain is intransitive. He grows vegetables. Grows is verb, vegetables is object, so it is transitive verb. He tore the cloth. The cloth is object and the sentence is transitive. Like that, children, you have to continue and complete this. And now in exercise 3, pay attention. Complete each of these sentences with an object. Make 7 to 10 true for you. I have bought a bicycle. They are watching the television. We often play cricket. We often play games, cricket, anything you can write. He broke the window glass. She was wearing a mask. He was repairing the tap. I like banana. I hate. What I hate? I hate onions. I know him. I am learning all subjects. Now complete each of these sentences with a complement. See now, complement means it should be group of words should be followed by verb. I am writing in the book. She looks very beautiful. The flowers are very fresh. He grew taller than me. We felt happy at his success. She became the Prime Minister of India. Will you do that? Yes, I hope you will do. With this, we are completing the chapter number 5, and I hope you will do the exercise and complete it.